penalty case?
That would be up to the grand jury and whatever they decide, but potentially could be, yes.
Another robbery was mentioned that he allegedly committed about an hour before this murder. Will charges be brought up in that case, and how will it affect this case?
There was another robbery that he allegedly committed in the city of Cleveland prior to the robbery in Parma. That's something that I don't have any exact details on right now. I'd have to get those from the Cleveland Police Department since they're the ones handling the investigation. But that case could be presented by our detective with our case, for the murder case, when it goes to the grand jury at the same time.
And as you mentioned, he technically made no plea. It was just that he waived his hearing rights.
That's correct. He just waived his preliminary hearing today, and now his case will be transferred from the Parma Municipal Court System and bound over to the Cuyahoga County Court System, but it'll go to the grand jury first.
Talk to me about Mr. Spossett as a community member here in Parma.
Well, first of all, on behalf of the men and women of the Parma Police Department, we want to extend our deepest sympathies and condolences to the Spossett family. Mr. Spossett is somebody that's owned a business in our city for quite many years. At one point in time, our police cars used to get gas from Sunoco, so we would go there, and so he became quite a constant person with our department, very well known throughout the community and with the men and women of our department, and this is a tragic loss, not just for his family, but for the entire community as well.
Has Mr. Sinclair made any statements as to his motive?
Mr. Sinclair was interviewed by the detectives involved in the case here, but I can't go into what was said during that interview.
Thank you.
Thank you.